Welcome to our channel. Today's topic is unleashing the power of predictive analytics from insights to action. Introduction. In today's data driven world, organizations are inundated with vast amounts of information. However, the true value lies not in the data itself, but in the actionable insights that can be extracted from it. This is where predictive analytics comes into play. Predictive analytics leverages historical data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to forecast future outcomes with remarkable accuracy. By harnessing the power of predictive analytics, businesses can make informed decisions, optimize processes, and stay ahead of the competition. Understanding predictive analytics. Predictive analytics involves using historical data to build models that can predict future trends and events. These models are developed through a combination of statistical analysis and advanced machine learning algorithms. By analyzing patterns, correlations, and relationships within the data, predictive analytics can uncover hidden insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. Benefits of predictive analytics: improved decision making. Predictive analytics empowers organizations to make data driven decisions by providing insights into potential outcomes. This is invaluable across various sectors from the finance to marketing, enabling companies to allocate resources more effectively. Enhanced customer insights. By analyzing customer behavior and preferences, predictive analytics enables businesses to anticipate customer needs, personalize experiences, and optimize marketing campaigns for better customer engagement. Risk management. Predictive analytics aids in assessing and mitigating risks by identifying potential issues before they escalate. This is particularly relevant in industries such as insurance and finance. Supply chain optimization. Anticipating demand fluctuations and supply chain disruptions is critical for efficient operations. Predictive analytics helps businesses optimize inventory levels, reduce costs, and ensure timely delivery. Healthcare and medicine. In the medical field, predictive analytics can aid in early disease detection, patient outcome prediction, and even drug development. The predictive analytics process: data collection. Gathering relevant and high quality data is the foundation of any successful predictive analytics initiative. Data processing. Raw data often contains inconsistencies and errors. Data processing involves cleaning, transforming, and organizing the data to make it suitable for analysis. Fe- Feature selection: identifying the most relevant variables, features that influence the outcome, is crucial for building accurate predictive models. Model development: choosing the appropriate algorithm, regression, decision trees, neural networks, etc., depends on the nature of the problem. Models are trained on historical data and evaluated using various matrices. Validation and testing: models are validated using separate datasets to ensure their generalizability and effectiveness in predicting unseen data. Deployment and monitoring: once a model is deemed reliable, it is deployed to make predictions on new data. Continuous monitoring ensures the model's performance remains consistent over time. Challenges and considerations. Data quality. Poor data quality can lead to inaccurate predictions. Data should be clean, relevant, and representative of the problem. Overfitting. Models that are overly complex can fit the training data perfectly but fail to generalize to new data. Regulationized techniques help mitigate overfitting. Ethical concerns. Predictive analytics raises ethical questions about privacy, bias, and transparency. Efforts should be made to ensure fairness and accountability. Conclusion. Predictive analytics transforms data into a strategic asset, enabling organizations to forecast trends, optimize operations, and make informed decisions. As technology continues to evolve, predictive analytics will play an increasingly vital role in shaping industries and driving innovation. By understanding its principles and practices, businesses can unlock the power of predictive analytics and gain a competitive edge in an ever changing landscape. Predictive analytics offers numerous advantages to business and organizations across various sectors. Here are some key advantages. Data driven decision making. Predictive analytics provides insights based on data rather than intuition or guesswork. This leads to more informed and confident decision making, resulting in better outcomes. Anticipating trends. Predictive analytics enables businesses to identify trends and patterns in historical data, allowing them to anticipate market shifts, customer preferences, and industry trends before they occur. Improved resource allocation. By predicting future demands and trends, businesses can allocate resources more efficiently. This includes optimizing inventory levels, workforce allocation, and budget allocation for marketing campaigns. Enhanced customer experience. Understanding customer behavior through predictive analytics helps businesses personalize offering and experiences, leading to higher customer satisfaction and loyalty. Risk management. Predictive analytics assists in identifying potential risks and vulnerabilities, enabling proactive risk mitigation strategies. This is particularly important in industries like finance and insurance. Optimized marketing campaigns. Businesses can use predictive analytics to segment their audience effectively, tailor marketing messages, and optimize the timing and channels of their campaigns for maximum impact. Supply chain optimization. Predictive analytics aids in supply chain management by forecasting demand fluctuations, reducing excess inventory, and ensuring timely production and delivery. Fraud detection and prevention. In sectors like finance and e commerce, predictive analytics can identify unusual patterns that might indicate fraudulent activities, enabling timely intervention. Healthcare and medicine. Predictive analytics can help healthcare providers anticipate patient needs, predict disease outbreaks, and even personalize treatment plans based on individual patient data. Operational efficiency. Businesses can optimize their operations by predicting equipment maintenance needs, minimizing downtime, and streamlining production processes. Early warning systems. Predictive analytics can create early warning systems for potential issues such as equipment failures or cybersecurity breaches, allowing businesses to take preventive measures, innovation and product development. By analyzing customer feedback and market trends, predictive analytics can guide the development of new products and services that align with customer demands. Financial planning. Predictive analytics aids in financial forecasting, budgeting, and planning by projecting future revenues, expenses, and profitability. Competitive advantages. Businesses that effectively leverage predictive analytics gain a competitive edge by being better prepared to respond to changes in the market and exploit opportunities. Time and cost savings. Predictive analytics eliminates the need for trial and error by guiding decisions based on data. This saves time, reduces wastage, and optimizes resource utilization. In summary, predictive analytics empowers organizations with the ability to harness data to make accurate predictions and proactive decisions. This leads to improved operational efficiency, enhanced customer experiences, better risk management, and overall success in today's dynamic business landscape. Thanks for watching our video. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel.